Babes, if you're having issues with hair growth or you're facing extreme hair loss, do well to subscribe to this channel. I'll have a simple remedy for you. So in this video, we are using only two ingredients, only two very powerful ingredients. And our first ingredient is cloves. Guys, cloves is so powerful. If you've used cloves before, you can attest to how powerful cloves is. It improves blood circulation. We all know that when you have good blood circulation, it promotes hair growth. The result of cloves improving blood circulation enhances the hair to grow and promotes thick hair. And next, and also very important ingredient, is fenugreek. Yes, fenugreek has several benefits. One includes growing the hair, helping with scalp issues. If you have scalp issues, fenugreek is your best bet. Yes, scalp issues like dandruff, itchy scalp inflammation, using fenugreek seeds consistently as an oil or spray is able to help you resolve your scalp issues. So I use about 1 teaspoon of each of the herbs, and then I infuse them in water like we are seeing in this video, and I allow it to sit for about 30 minutes. And after 30 minutes, I go back for it. You realize that after 30 minutes the color changes a bit, it becomes deeper, and also you see that the fenugreek seed is looking bigger. So yes, once after 30 minutes I get my strainer and also I get my spray bottle. You can see that I use very small quantity because I use just enough so I can use on my hair for about a week. Yes, you can use this treatment on your hair 2 to 3 times a week depending on your hair porosity, or you can even use it every day if you are in a very dry condition and your hair dries very quickly. Yes, so guys, right after here, I spray it on my scalp and also use it as a moisturizing routine. So after here, I do it and then I apply hair butter or hair oil in order to boost hair growth. I'll be ending here for today. Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this. Till next time, bye.